to another tip in our Frontdoor app Fix-It Tip series. We know the Frontdoor app can help with diagnosing and fixing everyday issues around your house. But today, we're going to focus on how the app can also help when you are buying or even selling a home. Now, if you're not familiar with Frontdoor, it's a home repair and maintenance app that allows you to video chat with live experts on demand for home projects, whether big or small. So for today's tip, we're showing how the Frontdoor app is a great resource to have throughout your real estate journey. Here are just a few examples. You can use Frontdoor to get your home ready for the market by fixing repairs prior to listing that could prevent you from getting the best offer. From drywall patches to replacing light fixtures and so much more. Video chat with home repair experts for step-by-step DIY guidance. Frontdoor is helpful for buyers during home tours, walkthroughs, and post-inspection. You can get real-time help from trusted experts across plumbing, electrical, HVAC, appliance, and handy person services. Experts can consult on your home systems and appliances and provide input on how difficult it would be to repair the item or estimated replacement costs. Frontdoor can also be used by new homeowners to help tackle ongoing repair and maintenance needs. Video chat with experts for DIY guidance, advice on renovations, or even open the front door at your local hardware store for help in selecting tools or parts. With personalized and unbiased help from virtual experts, you can get home to-dos done. With Frontdoor, getting your home ready to sell or prepping your new home to move in is easy. You can get home repair help within a few simple taps rather than making all of those endless calls or even scrolling. So to try Frontdoor for free, download the Frontdoor app from the Apple App Store or Google Play, and you can check out their website at frontdoor.com. And remember, you can also find more information at our website and watch this very tip again at designingspaces.tv. So be sure to watch for more Frontdoor apps Fix-It tips as our tip series continues right here at Designing Spaces.